Hey y'all, it's Chy'Ann Galore. We're designing faith and more, and thank you for tuning to another video. We'll be learning how to create grainy liquid gradients in Photoshop. So if you want to continue to see this content, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the tutorial. So we're going to open up a new file. We are going to be using the canvas size 600 by 600 pixels, and make sure the resolution is 300 ppi. And then the background contents will be black. We're going to rename this Grainy Liquid Gradients and press create. So the first thing we want to do is unlock the background layer. Then we're going to grab the brush tool. Make sure the brush is soft round. The size will be 124 pixels. And then everything that you see up here should be your settings as well. All right. So we are going to be using the color white and gray for this. So we're going to be using the color white first, just some areas, doesn't matter, okay? And then the next color we're going to use is some type of gray. It doesn't matter what shade of gray. Just make sure not all the areas is filled with the gray. Leave some parts black, right? Then we're going to go to filter, liquify, and then these are the settings that you'll be using. Just create a shape that you desire. Press OK. Now we are going to add a gradient map on top of this, which is my favorite thing to do. Press new field, go to gradient map, double click the gradient. I will be linking this pack in the description below. It's by Design Syndrome. And we are going to be using the folder cold. And I'm going to use this one right here. Isn't that wonderful? Like, look at that. It's so nice. Then to add a little vintage feel to it, we're going to add noise on top of this. So create a new field, solid color, gray. Then go to filter, noise, add noise. Yes, convert to smart object. 45% should be fine. Say okay. Then go to blending mode. Go to soft light, make sure the fill is 20 to 25%. We're gonna do 25%, okay? Then after that, we're gonna add another gradient map on top of this, and you're gonna see why. So go to new fill again, gradient map, double click. Now there's a new pack that I'm going to also link in the description below. So I gotta scroll all the way down. It's by this creator right here, and we are going to be using this gradient right here. Oh, that's so nice. Isn't that nice, y'all? That's really nice. And there you have it, a grainy liquid gradient. Isn't this neat? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed one, y'all. Peace. Thank you.